Hey y'all, so the video you're about to see is extremely disturbing. No, it's not. I'm kidding. I'm completely kidding. In this video, I attempted to film a Thanksgiving look, this look right here, but it just wasn't happening that day. I ran into a lot of issues, a lot of roadblocks. I tried to film the look 3 separate times over the course of 2 hours. What I think the problem was that my brushes were dirty from earlier that day. I had done a little simple look for the day, and I also think I was using too much concealer on my eyes because I used that as a eyeshadow primer. I'm pretty sure those were the 2 culprits because I was able to do this look just fine off camera. Because you know, normally when you're just doing your makeup and you're not filming it, you're just going about it. It's muscle memory. You're not even thinking about it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the shenanigans that are about to transpire. Okay. So we had some technical difficulties, and by technical difficulties I mean I messed up when I was shooting this before. The eye look was coming out terrible, and for those of you who are avid viewers of my channel, you know this is not something that I am not used to, and you know me, you know I'll roll through, you know, a messed up eye look. I'll make it work. I'll force it to work, but I couldn't do it this time. I don't know what happened with the colors that I was working with. They just weren't. The colors that were showing up in the palette weren't showing up on my eyes. I picked up a brown shade and it was coming up purple on my eyes. I'm wondering if it's because my brushes aren't clean, because I did use them yesterday for a look and I haven't cleaned them since. So maybe that's why, but I had to completely scrap this look. So if my eyes look weird or like they've been, you know, messed with, or if they're red or anything, that's why. But yeah, that eyeshadow look was looking a little crazy, so I had to go ahead and switch gears and keep it pushing. So, okay, this one's coming out a lot better. Oh my goodness, because if this one messed up too, I was gonna just call it quits. No Thanksgiving video and keep it pushing. So yeah, this video is gonna be, you know, it's a last minute thing because I completely forgot Thanksgiving was coming and Thanksgiving was here. What is going on? Am I tripping? I think this video is just not meant to be. Golly, this is like taking away everything that I just did. I'm trying to blend, not freaking make it ashy. I know I'm not tripping. Okay. I don't know what is going on, but nothing is working out for me right now. These are not techniques that I haven't done before, but it's just not working. Okay, so this is the last time I'm doing this. This is the last time I'm doing this. I'm restarting. If it doesn't work after this, then I'm convinced that the video is just not meant to be. Because, okay. Oh my goodness. I don't know what's going on, y'all. I really don't. I don't know why I can't do my makeup today. So, we're gonna try this again. Okay. Okay. I can relax now.
A few moments later.
What is going on? Why is it doing that? Are y'all seeing that? Are y'all seeing that too? It's like it's wiping away. What is going... Okay. You know what? I don't think this Thanksgiving video is meant to be. And that's fine. I'm done. I'm over it. I'm tired. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why things just don't want to cooperate with me today. And normally I don't take off my makeup with baby wipes, but it's all that I have near me. I'm not getting up to get my micellar water. I'm so irritated. This is my 3rd time filming this. I'm not finna keep on sitting here messing with this. I'm not finna do it. I got stuff to do tomorrow. I'm so irritated. because I had a bomb look in mind and it's just not coming together. Maybe it's just not meant to be. Maybe I'm not meant to film this video. And I don't give up easy, but dang, like, oh my gosh. Okay. I guess I could make this into content somehow. So this hasn't been a complete waste of time. I'm gonna sleep on it. I'm gonna sleep on it. I'm gonna call it a night. Call it a night. Go. So what do you guys think? You saw what I tried to do, and you saw what happened. Things happen. You know, what can you do? What can you do? Regardless, I do hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys leave a like down below. I hope you comment. I hope you share it out to your peoples. And of course, I hope you subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye!